So, I have this question, why is it daw that having a narcissistic somebody around us or a narcissist person around us should be discarded? Okay, so, ang narcissist man good guys, or chicos, no, in Spanish, it's chicos, guys. Chicos, ang narcissist man good, one of their traits, they have so many negative traits, and I don't know if you know how to spot them, but having a narcissist person around your life right now, I'm telling you, they will not do good in your life. Why? Because one of the characteristic of a narcissist is having this grandiosity. So they are attention seeker. They wanted to be feel important in your life. And then pag naakay tao ngayon na sa imong kinabuhi, you will not grow. You will not grow. Kay gusto na nila is kamo lang permi magkuyog. And the next is, aside from grandiosity, they are exploiting others for their personal gain. So karon nagkadaghan na mong rong panahon na, nga maluoy kaayo ko sa uban nga wala in tao nakahibaon sa ng narcissist. And I wanted to have a content like this because I am also a victim of a narcissistic abuse. Right? So kanang maluoy ko sa uban nga maka-experience og ingon ana. They don't know what is narcissist. Another traits is kana bitang lack of empathy. Dili na sila kabaw maluoy. Like for example, ay makililimos mo agi. Moingon ka kaluoy niya oy kanang tagaan nato og food. Pero kana sila guys, di na sila maluoy. They don't empathize. They just say pasag diin na sila kay ilahan ng kinabuhi. Mao ningon ana sila kay they have the wrong choice. They cannot live without you. Why? You are the perfect representation of their self. Kana mga narcissist, mura kanila gimold into who you are from their own perspective. Okay? So, kana sila, kung mag-inusara na sa kinabuhi, di na mabuhi. Kay, nga naman, they always seek attention from others. And then, di na sila ganahan i-criticize. Ingnon gali na ni mo bati about their self, mind you, bukuron juga na niya. Mahibong na lang ka nga ngano ni siya nga kamaayo pa namo ganiha karon kalit man lang ni bati. It's because nakasulti kag bati against niya. So mo na siya red flag, usa na siya sa characteristic sa narcissist. They also have this deep need of admiration. So kinanglan kung nakay somebody around you karon nga narcissist, they wanted to be admired. Nya bati kayo na siya kay bisag bati moingon mo admire lang gyapon ka, so mahimo kang bakakon, so you are no longer yourself. Okay, so kuan man ka maghuna-huna naman ka nga malain niya ni siya musulti kog bati, instead mo ka nga wa man kay dili ka angayan sa imong gisulob. So kay kabalo man ka nga inana siya batasan, moingon na lang ka nindot bisag dili siya angayan. So ayaw, don't adjust sa imuhang kaugalingon nga kinaiya tungod niya. Okay, so kung nakaingon ana karon nga friend or somebody around you, if nakaingon ana nga tao around you, run. I'm telling you, they will not do good into your life. They will just use you. And then nakabati pa jud ani kay kana bang gibuhat na nimo ang tanan. Dakulang na lang imong kaugalingon ipakaon nimong apil sa iya ha. Pero they are not satisfied. Kay wala sila satisfaction. Okay? Kay permanente na lang nga sila mo'y sakto. Nya dili na siya mao. You will not grow. Dili ka gusto nga i-criticize, di ka gusto nga makuryuhan ka. Na ay daghani. Mga kauban nato sa trabaho na ana. Inside sa family na ana. So karon from now on, my content will be about narcissist. Kay me, I am also a victim of a narcissist. Nya kanira basad sila no, mga playing pa victim kaayo. Ikaw na villain. Nya how to address this one? Because I just wanted to help people around the world having a narcissistic someone in their life. Okay, so kung naman kay narcissist friend karon or family, better run. Promise, they will not do good to you. They will just use you, they will just exploit you.